right side of the track. Up next on the mod side, Adam Revere out of Glencoe, Minnesota with the Iron Phoenix. Lots of alcohol motors hanging on that tractor. Adam Revere out of Glencoe, Minnesota, called it the Iron Phoenix. Okay. Jason Miller up next. Bill Miller, longtime Pro Stock puller. This is son Jason. He'll be up next on the Pro Stock. Remember, our leader's still at 368 even. And there were some of you that thought we ought to change that sled. It's too light. I don't think so.
Another tractor over there.
Cruising Mule 2. Let's see what he can do.
Yes, no.
All right, somewhere down there in that 300-foot area. Get the distance for you in just a second. On the mod side, you hear firing up Mr. Jason Gibson. Called the Young Blood Joker's Wild out of Georgetown, Kentucky. Jason Gibson's been having some trouble this summer, but he's back and he said it's ready to go. 321.090 for Cruising Mule, 321.090. Good run. I don't know that it's out there far enough to take the lead, but it's out there. Heston Lepke's distance, 343.685. Good enough for fourth spot, 343.685. Another one of our fine sponsors, Hot Shot Secret Diesel Extreme. Hot Shot Secret Diesel Extreme is the official fuel additive to NTPA and is the strongest diesel additive on the market. Trusted by thousands, Diesel Extreme is a complete 6-in-1 fuel additive that cleans and protects your injectors while boosting your fuel cetane. And 7 points to give you that extra horsepower you'll need in your vehicle. It's available at other fine retailers or at hotshotsecret.com. Jason Gibson got it running. He's out of Georgetown, Kentucky. Pro Sox side, Mr. Tim Kaine. The father and son team, and that's Dad. Top running tractor. Nobody twists the tail harder on a red one before he lets go of it than Tim Kaine. And yes, Case IH fans, that is a red engine under the hood. You watch, listen to those RPM. Tim Kaine, Greenfield, Indiana. And like I said, there's no smoking in the grandstand. Just saying. Here's the distance for Tim Kaine, 331.355. 331.355. That's going to bring up Dylan Owens. Calls it Thorne out of Montgomery, New York. New York, where their governor is one of the best men you could possibly not talk to. Did I say that? Nobody said I watched Fox News at night. Nobody said that. Anyway, Montgomery, New York, he calls it Thorne. Dylan Owens coming your way.
Yeah, it's gonna be so loud again. Oh my goodness.
I believe that's good enough for his second spot right now. Remember, our leader is 368, Mr. Robbie Russell. Let's see how he does. Up next, Doug Christensen from Glencoe, Minnesota, with the Pack Rat 4 on the mod side. Here's the distance for Mr. Mays, 349.860. Good enough for third spot, 349.860 for the billet binder. Doug Christensen doing the driving on the Pack Rat 4 on the mod side. If you were here on Thursday, they had a Pack Rat 5, Pack Rat 6, Pack Rat 107, a Pack Rat 8. They had 4 two-wheel drive trucks here on Thursday. Well, this is the modified tractor version of the Pack Rat family. Doug Theobald doing the driving. I'm sorry, Doug Christensen. Theobald will be later. I didn't say Theobald earlier. I'm sorry. And one of the pistons has left the engine. That's Doug Christensen. It was the front engine, Jeremy. It was the left front engine. I think it was just a flash about. We did have a little fire. It was right there on your left side. 269.26, I'm sorry, .200. 269.200. The left front engine had a bang right in the side of the block. I don't think the pistons left the engine, but I bet it has a window in it. He was fighting the brake pretty hard on the left side of the track too. Up next, Mr. Mark Lawyer calls it wrapped up.
Yes. Small tractor and there's a fire.
Wrapped up with a vengeance out of Newcastle, Indiana. He's been fighting problems, little gremlins all summer.